Hello and welcome to Victoriana and Happy New Year. It's the beginning of January. We're just back to work, a couple of days in and back to work. Didn't get round to a clip in December. It was a very busy month for us and we literally didn't have a chance to do a clip, and then we were going to do one after our staff Christmas party, but we didn't get round to that either because we had a drink or two and were chatting for a fair amount of time. But no, so here we are, beginning of January. And just thinking about doing some propagation and starting. We haven't started anything at all, and in actual fact we've just stripped out one of the beds to redo and put new heating in. We've got new lighting coming as well in the next week or two, so we've got a lot underway in that regard. But as I say, we haven't started anything, and I think that's the most important thing for the beginning of January. Do not start too early. People will be sowing their chilies or saying they're sowing their chilies, and the next thing will be tomatoes as well, and it is way too early. More seed is lost and plants thrown away because things are started too early. If you haven't got good heat, and more importantly if you haven't got good light, there is no point in starting right now. Leave it, hang on until at least the middle of February, maybe a little bit later. Obviously with our heat and light we'll be ahead and underway a little bit earlier than that. Next week we're going to start on some chilies, going on heat and light, and of course we'll be getting the onions underway and the leeks pretty soon but afterwards. So yeah, that's it really for our clip for January, and we will catch up with you at the beginning of Feb.